All right, boys, say hi.
Oh,
That was well done, Jane. We've got the...
That's their friendship, isn't it?
We have to have a talk, Ryan, about behaving on camera. All right, Miles, show Daddy how good a swimmer you are. Ryan's like, I'm quite happy with my watering can. I don't need to swim. Whoa! Good jump!
Good job.
There's no zoom on this, unfortunately, so I can't pan back and get them both in the picture at the same time. Oh, there they are. Good boys.
You want splash? Lots of splashing.
That's good splashing, Miles. Yes. Excellent splashing.
Miles.
We have all these expensive pool toys and the watering can. You know, it's why would you bother with anything else?
Miles is a good swimmer.
Yeah, Miles is fine. Yeah, Miles is like, okay. I was gonna jump in eventually anyway.
Be nice, Ryan.
Ryan, I'm documenting all this. You should be aware.
First thing we'll show this.
All right, Miles. Miles. Can you wave to Mummy?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Ma. Say bye, Ma.
Bye, Mom.
Thank you.